Welcome back to Wild Apple Homestead's Kids Snack Series. Today we're making homemade meat sticks in two flavors, teriyaki and pepperoni. These are perfect for school lunches, road trips, or just healthy snacks at home. They also make a great sideline soccer snack. Let's start with the teriyaki. I've got 1 pound of ground pork and we're mixing it with coconut aminos, honey, garlic, vinegar, ginger, and a little pepper. Mix it well, cover, and chill for about 30 minutes.
But I guess it doesn't need it because it has this, which has salt in it.
Ooh, that looks red.
It's red. It was made from bell peppers. Yeah.
Wait, you tried to grow some bell peppers, but it wouldn't work.
No, like even. It's on a video?
Yeah. Whoa. The color changes with all them mixed. And like all the honey and like the one. It looks like you're making bread, but
Or like meatballs.
yeah.
Or meatloaf.
Yeah.
Wow, I'll have to make meatloaf this winter.
When it gets clear.
There you go.
You want it
Okay,
to
you can
stop.
stop it.
Next, we'll make pepperoni. This one has red wine vinegar, paprika, fennel, garlic, onion, smoked paprika, and a touch of cayenne for that classic pepperoni flavor. Mix it the same way, then chill.
Nope, this is a tablespoon.
Okay, right?
Yeah, these are pepperoni meat sticks. So that's fennel, red pepper flake. That will give it a little spice. The smoked one.
Now a quick note on storage. These handmade meat sticks are not shelf stable like store-bought jerky. They don't have curing salt, so they need to be stored safely. Keep them in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze for up to 3 months. They're perfect for lunch boxes with an ice pack, but not long-term storage on the counter.
Cool, that's a pretty color on that.
Yeah, it's from the paprika.
Hmm.
Pretty red color, huh?
Yeah. It's like a pinkish, red, silver, like.
Oh, okay.
Now, here's the fun part. Instead of using a jerky gun, we're piping the meat into sticks. Load the chilled mixture into a heavy-duty piping bag. Snip the end or use a large round tip and pipe the meat directly onto parchment-lined trays. Use damp fingers to smooth them out if needed. Now bake low and slow at 175 degrees for 3 to 4 hours, flipping halfway through until they're fully cooked, chewy, and delicious. And that's it. Homemade teriyaki and pepperoni meat sticks. Simple, healthy, and kid approved. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out the rest of our Kids Snack series. And we'll see you on the next one.